Hi guys, a lot of you who have hair thinning are pretty apprehensive about wearing a topper because you feel like it might look too unnatural and like a wig, which is understandable because if you are a first time topper wearer, it can be quite overwhelming to kind of figure how to blend in the topper and make it look more natural. But it does take a little bit of practice to ensure that the topper looks and feels like yours. So I think one of the great ways to do so is by basically trying out the same hairstyle that you would probably have before the hair thinning and kind of trying to achieve that with the topper. And of course, blending the topper in well helps in like merging it with your hair and making it look extremely natural. I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple of streaks to the topper to just add in the little bit of color because my hair is colored and I need it to show through the topper. You can do any hairstyle as well using the topper. Here I am just gonna do a half do and put it in our messy bun. As you can see, this is what I've done. I like this look, so this is what I went for. You can play around with your topper and pretty much do any hairstyle that you like and that suits your face.